Morning everyone and welcome back to my vlog. As you can see, the sun is out, the birds are chirping, I don't know if you can hear it, and I am here to bother you. Of course the credit goes to you all guys, because some of the very sweet subscribers and my audience have been messaging and commenting that I should be posting something at least on the YouTube. So here I am. Probably the title of this YouTube video will be Life during lockdown, although it's getting a bit eased down, slash online courses that are free. So in case you guys are interested, then keep watching this vlog. I have been awake around 9, not really a best time, but it's a weekend. I would like to enjoy it and make it a bit different than how my weekdays. I feel that if you're having a full-time job, it's a bit difficult to drag yourself out of the bed even on the weekend, because the way I've been conditioned is that the weekends I can do anything what I want and at any time, which is not the case. If I really want to achieve something in life, if I really want to feel productive, I think that I need to drag myself out of the bed and get started with the day. That's what making me so alive. Usually I do some exercises and then get ready for my work. A big message out there in case you guys are feeling low or feeling unmotivated to do something. Don't listen at all to your brain. Just start doing what you want to do, like force yourself to do it, and you will find that you will get motivated while you're doing it, and it will be really hard for you to stop doing that particular thing. So it's morning, and maybe you don't know, but I have a sweet tooth and I really like to enjoy eating sweets in the morning. And since it's a weekend and I have already started vlogging, so now I can reward myself, because I think that if we delay reward, if we don't reward ourselves, the first thing, usually when I wake up in the morning, I go to the kitchen. I mean in the weekend, because in the weekdays I usually prepare a lemonade for myself, but in the weekend I go to kitchen and grab my favorite piece of chocolate. But today I said, no, unless I don't start vlogging, I don't get ready, I will not reward myself. And probably this is the reason why I now did and I'm doing what I want, and now I can treat myself with this piece of cake here, which I have cooked yesterday in the evening, and you can see it's already finished almost. So it's a blueberry cake with some chocolate chips. So as I have already mentioned, I will be going through some online free courses, and of course it's a really good opportunity to share with you as well. And I have figured it out that it's really a good way to learn something new and to find out what actually interests me more, and I can further explore that particular area. If they are not providing you certificate for free, at least you can explore some new areas. So now let's dig into it and see what things are available free online. I am starting first with the available Google courses. I just searched free online Google courses, and then I came to this Google Digital Garage. And since I am handling different social media pages, for example on Facebook, Instagram and on YouTube, therefore it's really important and I think essential for me if I do a certification maybe on digital marketing. And in case you guys are also interested maybe to start your YouTube channel or maybe Facebook page or Instagram, it's a really good advantage to have some certificates or a bit of organized learning that you can get from these online free courses. Because in some cases you will get certifications here, and in some you have to pay for the certification, but at least you will have a bit of structured approach by going through these courses. Then the second thing which I have discovered is Harvard's online free courses. To me, I have been always really fascinated to study in Harvard University, and probably I think like by just doing it even on online will give me a bit of happiness and accomplishment. So I will be now today going to go through their catalog of courses and see which ones are free. So as you can see, I have landed up to the home page and I went into the price, free session, huge list with different categories. So for the categories, you can now put filter on the subject area, and from here you can select, for example, I'm selecting business, and so there are only 4 of them which are being categorized under this category. And now I will go into the entrepreneurship in emerging economies because it seems really interesting. Like as you can see here, it's written free, but there is a asterisk sign. This means that there is something more to it. So I will go further and I can check the structure, modules, what they are offering, how many weeks is it for, the language it will be delivered, and whether it includes certificate. So for further information, because it's saying that in case you're interested in this program and you would like to know more about the fee structure, please go and click on the take course. So after clicking, it actually directs me to a website called edX, which also have app version you can install on your phone, so you don't really need a laptop to study these courses. You can also download edX application and can start your enrollment and your course. But here if I further scroll down, I see here that in the price section it's written it's free, but to get certificate you need to pay around 125 USD. You might want to just right now do this course, and if your employer asks for the certificate, either you tell them the truth that you have enrolled, you took the course, but since it was costly or the certificate was not free, you don't really have the certificates, and still if they put the stress, you can go on here and apply for it. So here I am interested in this course and let's get enrolled. So it's asking me about my some details which I can give, and the good part is that I don't see here asking for my payment details, which is quite good. So that's it. So these are the 2 courses that I will try to finish this weekend or at least this month. I have to do more of these, and let me know in the comment section that which one are you planning to do, how you found this information, how much relevant it was, and in case you have more questions related to online courses. Apart from that, there have been people asking me that how they can learn German language. So for that there are 3 approaches. So firstly, maybe you can ask for some second-hand books, but of course if it's a lockdown you won't be able to get access to it. Secondly, go and download Duolingo, which is free of cost. Taking this approach of downloading Duolingo and learning German, it won't be that easy because there is no structure to it, but for sure you will be able to get and build on your vocabulary, because there it's like more like a dictionary and you can learn the terminologies related to food, related to electronics, related to animals. So in that way it's really good. And then later on you might want to take some grammar related online paid courses. Surprisingly, when today I logged into my Duolingo account in order to record the screen, I realized that they have become a bit more better. They have redesigned themselves. Probably they are getting funded by the advertisement that they show. In case you're not interested in the ads and you would like to have more smooth learning, then you might have to pay for it. So you can see there are a lot many options here. You can learn with the tips. So learn German while you are on the go. If you're looking for free alternatives, you can also follow some of the YouTubers, because YouTube is free. So they are offering free online videos which you can follow, and I'm sure it's not really difficult to find them. So let's do it live here. So this is my YouTube here. So now let's search here. I have heard that there is this YouTuber called Jenny, and that's what people are recommending. So I see there is already a suggestion, recommendation coming over here, German language with Jenny A1. So yes, we found her. So maybe you can watch all these videos in order to get that A1 fluency, because personally what I think is that knowing a language in itself is a certification. If you can speak fluently a certain languages, it's a proof in itself. But of course the university during the admission they need to know it, but I could guarantee that for the job they don't ask for the certificate. They will get to know it as soon as you will start speaking during the interview. That's it. This is so quiet but relaxing. This is my snacks. These are smiling franks. And then you have a pickle. It's a good remix, right? So the one thing I like about going to Edeka, it's a really big supermarket out here nearby in Germany, that I get Indian ethnic food easily over there in the supermarket. This is what you actually do when you are missing India or Indian food. Now I will go and cut some mushroom because I'm planning to make mushroom pasta or mushroom risotto. As you can see, I'm standing next to my laboratory where I experiment on the food. So let's get started. So I have my mushroom over here and pasta. So, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor kitchen. Here I have my full plate of pasta to keep me going for entire day because I have to do big things like collecting furniture. So I need muscle strength. So I will catch you later after finishing this. And in case you are also eating, then guten appetit. Should I eat this or that? Let me know, you guys, in case you're also craving for sweet just after your meal, because I always do. So maybe I can have it in the morning during weekdays, and since it's a weekend I can have that. This is a chocolate I have mentioned in another vlog as well from Italy. Now guys, I will have my cup of tea and do some online courses. I hope you have really enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, take care, bye, and do not forget to mention if you have enjoyed this video in the comment section, and I will see you. Bye.